And today at Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon, jordanmotorsports.com, we bring you another rare bird, a one-of-a-kind, one owner since new, 2012 Dodge Ram 3500, one-ton crew cab, short bed, four-wheel drive with 6.7 Cummins, high output, and 18,400 miles. Yes, you heard that correct. One owner, 2012, last year before the DEF, pre-DEF, 6.7 high output Cummins with 18,400 original miles. Clean title, CARFAX certified. One West Coast owner. This truck is in the wrapper. This is a brand new truck, basically. Not a dent, not a scratch, all original paint. The truck is 100% stock, unmodified. Only thing done to this truck is we just added a brand new 3-inch leveling kit with all brand new BILSTEIN 5100 series shocks all the way around. So you got front and rear BILSTEIN 5100s and a brand new set of 35-inch BF Goodrich KO3s, 10-ply rating. This is the Bighorn package, loaded up with all the goodies. One of the best upgrades, factory options the owner added to it, an option for, is the dual factory oil coolers. You have power windows, power door locks, tilt, cruise, power seats, lumbar, power adjustable pedals. From right here, you got built-in trailer brakes, exhaust brake, everything that you'd want. Power rear slider, tinted windows. This truck is literally like brand new. Also, this truck is 100% rust-free, 100% corrosion-free. And I'll go on the other side because you get more light over there. But this thing is brand spanking new. This truck has never been off-road, never been driven in the dirt or the mud. Does have the camper tie-down package. Has your inserts right here. Let me show you the underneath on here. So if you are looking for pre-emissions, but you don't want a 3rd gen, you want a 4th gen, but pre-2012, pre-DEF, pre-all that crazy stuff, this is it. This is like buying one brand spanking new. 100% all stock. You do have the camper package. You got spray and bed liner. Excellent condition bed. You got your plug-ins. One small little ding right there. And that is about it. You have power rear slider. Literally like new. No dents, no scratches, no stories, garage kept, West Coast truck. 18,400 miles here at Jordan Motorsports in Portland, Oregon. The interior still has the new car smell. This truck was stored indoors. I don't think anybody's ever sat in the back seats. This is the rare find. You won't find another one with nowhere close to these miles or the condition. It's got the luxury group. It's a fully loaded Bighorn package. Factory 17-inch polished forged wheels, and we just installed the 35-inch tires. Get the power inverter, the exhaust brake, 4-wheel drive on the fly. fully serviced, literally like brand new, 18,400 miles. The truck looks great, drives great, no stories. You would have the pride of saying, I have the lowest mileage, 2012, free all the crazy stuff. It's literally like driving a brand new truck. The truck comes with both sets of keys, both sets of valet keys. Just super nice. Let's get this thing started. Just had a fresh service, fresh oil change. All the fluids have been flushed, fresh coolant flush, brake fluid flush. Okay, let's turn all of our lights on. Let's turn the fog lights on. There's our trailer brakes. There's our adjustable pedals. There's our seat. There's the front going up, front going down, back going up, back going down. Whole seat forward, whole seat backwards, whole seat down. There's the back. I mean, just look at this. Just literally brand new. The entry, not a scuff, not a scratch. This truck is not brand new. This truck is 14 years old, but it is literally like a brand new truck. You do not get chances like this every day. So if you did not buy one in 2012, last year, before they added all the crazy emissions, this is your chance. This is as close to a brand new 4th gen, pre-def, and all that crazy stuff as you're ever gonna get. These trucks are getting harder and harder and harder to find. Take advantage of this opportunity. I have a full listing on jordanmotorsports.com. Let's pop the hood. Let me turn the hazards on. We'll check the lights, etc. All right, let's see what do we got here. There's your headlights, turn signals, fog lights. Love that front end. Look at this hood. There's not a rock chip. There's not a scratch. Let's open this up here. Brand spanking new. Brand new batteries 3 months ago, both batteries. Fresh coolant, fresh AC charge, brake fluid flush, oil change, 100% unmodified, unmolested, never tuned, never anything. You can delete the EGR if that bugs you. That's about it that you need to do to this thing. Literally brand new. We got brand new 35s, KO3s, 10 plies. We got the camper tie down package. All there. Here's your tail lights, hazards, license plate bulbs. Look at this. It's literally brand spanking new. I probably should just keep this thing for a few more years and just capitalize on it. This thing is just insane. Love the silver color, love the wheels, love the setup, and I love how these trucks, all what they need is literally the leveling kit, and it's a completely badass truck. There's our rear slider, power rear slider. Dome lights in the back, dome lights in the front. You got your garage openers, auto dimming mirror. It does not get any better. Let's see here, what do we have? Let's close this. Turn the hazards off. So we got 0 messages. Let's get it in 4-wheel drive. There's 4-wheel drive high, and here we go, 4-wheel drive low. Let's go back to 4 high and back to 2-wheel drive. This got the 6-speed automatic transmission with the overdrive as well. So it's got all the goodies that you'd want. There's the horn, the factory stereo with the MP3. Let's turn the volume from the steering wheel.
I'm gonna be there from 11 until 1. They got all the brands you're looking for: Carfax, Timberland Pro.
Take a look at this dash. It's literally like brand new. I love the color combination. Got dual outlets and a power inverter here, 110. Got the exhaust brake. You also go over here, just put this down. You got your armrest, or that. Turn it into a seat, or you got extra storage. There's your seat belt. I mean, it's insane. This is like, so now going back 14 years and being in something that is brand spanking new. You can switch your channels from the steering wheel as well. And obviously we know how these drive, literally like brand new. They do the conversions to convert the 2nd gens and 3rd gens into the 4th gen suspension because they drive phenomenal. Let's open this out and get out here. We got, like I said, both keys. And this is the cab light. Let's turn it off and turn our headlights off. Oh, cab lights are off. So, what we got here is the cream of the crop, the most sought after here in the newer generations. Brand new truck that's 14 years old, as close to brand new as you can get, having some technology, but literally brand spanking new. I can qualify this Ram for new car financing. I can offer you 84 months at 6.99, as low as 6.99, and as far as 84 months. Sorry, excuse my French. This is a special program through a credit union, standard financing, no early payoff penalty. No, your bank, your credit union will not finance it, not for the value, not for the interest rate being a 2012, not for the terms that I can offer you. I can also help you ship it right to your door, right from my showroom to your front door. Whether you're in Canada, whether you're in Alaska, whether you're in Hawaii, or New York, or Rhode Island, or Michigan, Colorado, Nebraska, Tennessee, South Carolina, South Dakota, North Dakota, New Mexico, Arizona, California, Washington, or even locally, anywhere. I deal with shipper on the daily basis. I know how to vet them. I know how to make sure they're insured, bonded. I only work with A+ rated shippers. This is the cream of the crop. If you've been hunting for one, well, here you go. You found the perfect one. Do not snooze because you're gonna miss out on it. These trucks sell very quickly. There is hunters out there that's been waiting for them, whether to collect them, whether because this is what they want and they don't want the new junk. They don't want to buy a new truck and have it stuck at the dealer because even the dealer cannot repair it or can't fix all the emission crap on it. This is the one. I have 95 detail photos on the website at jordanmotorsports.com. Oh, and let me show you the undercarriage on this side because I think we saw the passenger side. Literally brand new, unpainted, uncoated. This is the real deal. Let's make this thing yours.